Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing drafting of wills in the context specifically of those who have new spouses but might have prior children. This can be of pretty acute concern in certain cases where you've got a situation where, you're a person, you have some assets to pass on in the event of your own passing, and you also have a new spouse here in Thailand, but you have prior children. Again, delineating who gets what in a will structure is very, very important, and the formalities associated with possible beneficiaries or executors, or executrixes for that matter, is important as well. We often draft a number of wills in a number of different ways to accommodate different family structures, but bear in mind the formalities oftentimes will remain the same. So again, by sort of Western thinking, the formalities associated with doing a will in Thailand are a little bit more cumbersome, to say the least. I mean, there's just a level of detail, especially regarding executors, that a lot of the attorneys here in our office want to see that, frankly, in a Western context, you just wouldn't feel that that was overly relevant. That said, you want to comport with relevant formalities, especially in a situation where there could be a situation where perhaps a child or a spouse, in the event of the passing and the attempt to move the will or enforce the will move the will through the courts in order to enforce it, there's a situation that arises where there's an election against the will, basically a challenge to the will. It is in those circumstances that you want every I dotted and every T crossed with regard to drafting formalities in order to forestall any problems for one's heirs in the event they pass away and need to effectively, for lack of a better term, probate their will here in the Kingdom of Thailand.